There are things that make someone to tarry in battle. If there's no help at all, someone will last long and tarry in battle. Myself and my father might be fine for something. Anybody that the battle of the family is not waging war against, will go. The cost of the family, it is a part of God that makes this destroy someone's life. They are not joking with anybody at all. What we are calling because they are spirits. They are in someone's life. I was in deliverance like 3 or 4 years ago. I lay on somebody. The spirit said, the spirit of curses that was placed on him or her. That to cancel that curse in the name of Jesus. What you were like saying, oh. That your part joy if you have been caught. Seat and it become empty. Now, the family cause can make us to tarry in battle. In battle. Family cause. David became the king at 30 years because now at 30 they could have an age in their family. Jesus was able to succeed at 30 years as well. When I was writing the prophet in the scripture, the 14 seers or not, that they will not know and they will think that they are prophets. I was trying to write on them. There are many occasions someone's life needs a prophetic authority. But how will you know the person God wants to use for you? If someone's ear is under the cost of family, you won't know your prophet, you just be going up and down. That's why many were suffering out. Family cause. If there's no family cause, if there's no help at all, someone will tarnish in the journey of destiny as if it's tough. Look at that book of John 5:5. The man said, I have no one that will have carried me to the pool. Whenever the angel comes to stir the water, once I want to go in, others to go before me. I have no one that will assist me.
Ìrànwọ́ aláìní wá bá mi gbé. Bí olùrànlọ́wọ́ mìíràn bá yẹ, ìrànwọ́ aláìní wá bá mi gbé. Nígbà mi bẹ, tí wọ́n bá ń gbẹ̀san lára èèyàn,
if someone is being avenged upon,
pẹ̀lú ogun.
someone with that person with talent,
tọ́ba wáyé rẹ̀ tí ọba lọ,
once you examine your life, you are not going forward. Someone is avenging on you.
Saul and Jonathan
were dying.
2 Samuel chapter verse 17. So Jonathan ò ní problem.
Jonathan has no problem.
But ẹ̀san bàbá rẹ̀ ké lórí ẹ̀san.
The vengeance of his father cried on his life.
Nígbà mi ò lè jẹ́ pé ọkọ lọ sí.
It might not be the person that committed the crime. It might be your wife that committed the crime. As someone that is pastor said, it's avenging on husbands and a God's will of husband. When husband went to go meet the pastor, he said, well, pastor said, your wife is making much in the good women meeting. Because you were away, that was why she's making much in the meeting. And now that your ways are blocked now, when the problem came on, the husband, the woman went to go meet another man.
Ọkọ dálẹ̀ tó lọ. Owó wo ní gbèsè lára rẹ̀? Owó yẹn gbẹ ní alẹ́. Olóhùn gbẹ̀san.
The man said he's avenging on the husband.
Ọmọkùnrin ẹ̀bá tó dà mọ́ gbàdúrà.
And the man tried.
Bàbá tó rí fẹ́ kan, bóyá 20,000
he was able to secure a job, 20 or 25,000.
Ọba tó gba first salary, ọba ló ń kó wa fún mi.
After first salary, he brought it to me as a pastor.
Olóhùn kó wa fún mi.
I said, what he said, there is not just possible. He said, go and give it to the pastor that cost you. I said, go and give it to the pastor that raised you. And he gave the pastor the money. The man that I said, you.
So only 25,000 no aye.
Upon the cost I placed on your life. Where did you get money from? He said from the new job he was employed in. He eventually lost the job again.
Bàtí sẹ́yìn wa bọ́.
After he lost that
job, ìwọ náà bẹ Ọlọ́run.
I said, go and beseech God.
Ẹyọ kan ni ọmọ kígbe pé Olúwa gbẹ̀san mi.
He said one thing, oh God, avenge my cause.
O náà wá ń ké.
And he was shouting,
gbẹ̀san mi.
Avenge my cause.
Gbẹ̀san mi.
Avenge my cause. Avenge my cause.
Bàbá náà kú o.
The father eventually died, the pastor died.
Bàbá kú.
After the death of the pastor,
ìyàwó àti àwọn ọmọ
and the
wọ́n wá bá
children,
ọmọkùnrin
they
yẹn
came
pé
to meet the man.
wọ́n ní káwọn wá bí ọ.
They said, we are here to
Káwọn náà
come
bá
and
fẹ́ kú.
apologize.
Torí ẹ̀san bàbá náà tó
Because
fẹ́
the
ké lórí
vengeance
ọmọ.
of the father wants to find the sons and the wife as well.
Mo gbàdúrà.
I pray.
Ọwọ́ tí ń gbẹ̀san lára rẹ̀. Ọwọ́ yẹn gbẹ lálẹ́ yìí. Ẹnáwó yín tó.
Lift up your two hands.
Ẹ kígbe. Olúwa. Ìkórìtà tí ò ti yé mi mọ́.
At the junction of confusion,
Jáde sí mi.
appear to me.
Kí ni kó ṣe?
Appear to me.
Bọ̀dá gbà ó.
Yes, sir.
Jáde sí mi.
Appear to my Lord.
Jáde sí mi.
Appear to me.
Ọ̀yọ̀yọ̀yọ̀yọ̀. Jésù Olúwa wa.